Pain goes by when you just don't think about, when you just don't think about it. No. Pain goes by when you just don't think about, when you just don't think about it. No. The reaper's in a hurry, yeah, I say I got no worries, but feels like nothing's gonna cure me. I don't really know why, been so right. Just one off so I can feel normal. Criticize my grip in the gun. I got lots of problems, medicated, solve them. Slowly I've been falling, slowly I've been falling. I got lots of problems, medicated, solve them. Slowly I've been falling, slowly I've been falling. No, no.
First Blood. Double kill.
I've been living sedentary, driving past the cemetery, couple feet right from my house. If that's the end, then I want out. I got lots of problems, medicated, solve.
First Blood. Double kill. Triple kill.
Had to cut her off, it was painless. Show me fake love, it was shameless. I should've known that we would never make it. Now my heart is cold, feeling vacant. I just wanna move on, and I don't know how I could be so dumb. Lie to me and say you wouldn't run. You know how to mess up a good thing, acting like you care, you weren't there for my dark days. How could I have been so blind, let you walk right over me? I gave you time, now I'm off that. I don't wanna run away from all my mistakes, but I'm so ashamed of all the time I waste. I do my own thing, I won't let you slow me down. With my own way, yeah, you barely know me now. Lost another one, life goes on. I'll find another one, it won't take long now. How many times will this happen to me? But I guess it don't mind. Had to cut her off, it was painless. Show me fake love, I should've never make it.
First Blood.
I just wanna move on, and I don't know how I can. You wouldn't run. The echoes in my head go on, but I'll be fine. I'm better off without you. Still sending me texts, but get in my head, but it goes nowhere. I've been focused on the better me. Maybe you should try that. If you did, then maybe I will write back. I'm not letting you pretend that we could have a happy ending. Our love is fading. I left and I'll never come back. Can't believe I ever wanted you so bad.
Double kill. Double kill.
Had to cut her off, it was painless. Show me fake love, it was shameless. I should've known that we would never make it. Now my heart is cold, feeling vacant. I just wanna move on, and I don't know how I could be so dumb. Lie to me and say you wouldn't run. The echoes in my head go on and on, but I'll be fine, I'm better off without you.
First blood. Double kill.
So manage fighting all my demons, so they dropping at the canvas, and they'll never understand it. I'll be saying I don't need sleep, it feels like I'm already dreaming. Everything I've done already saw it in my head. Swear it's 24/7 that the snakes stay scheming. Keep it cold hard on my friends when I'm dead. Like where were you when I was down bad, John, in the darkness? I don't wanna save me, but I did it all regardless. Where were you when I was so
Double kill.
Now my life is a movie. Back in 2016, I was down on my luck. Then I finally switched teams, now I'm Brady with the Bucks. I got a handful of rings, I can never get enough. If they don't see what I see, I'm just telling them to try. Don't care what they've been telling me. Swear I'ma make it, I put that on everything. And when I do, know my team's gonna carry me. I'll give up anything. I'll be saying I don't need sleep, it feels like I'm already dreaming. Everything I've done already saw it in my head. Swear it's 24/7 that the snakes stay scheming. Keep it cold hard on my friends when I'm dead. Like where were you? Bad John in the darkness. Had no one to save me, but I did it all regardless. Where were you when I was so with all my heart?
First blood.
Yeah, I got no mercy for the weak, I kill them all. It's RIP to all my enemies. Yeah, they've been dead to me, leveling up while they turn into casualties on my blade. If you really wanna act cute, now you're all mad 'cause I passed
Double
you.
kill.
Everyone's got opinions, if you're not with the team, I'm like, who asked you? Call me the Moosey and quote on my strategy, but it won't work and I swear so sad to me. This game looks like nothing but tragedies plotting on me, but there's no overlap of me. Yeah, I've been alone, but I might feel stages. Haters get broken, but I can't change it. Don't look at me when your tape ain't playing. It's not my fault you don't fit on the A-list. Young Josh A will body a beat. If I make a move, they copying me. Who knew they bite so obviously? By me, they hate me so ominously. All of my M's in a pin like Van Halen riders. That's like 10 for the ones with the buyer.
Triple
Could've stopped the LV, but I'm on fire. Yeah. They thought I was done with the rap, but I'm just getting started. They're looking at me, I know they see a target, but I know they'll never get close to my artistry. Guys, be nice, they're trying their hardest. It's so pitiful seeing the minimal, trying to make single commas invisible. So forgettable, those subliminals sounding like that's at the top of the pinnacle. Yeah, I got no mercy for the weak, I kill them all. It's RIP to all my enemies. Yeah, they've been dead to me, leveling up while they turn into casualties. Sharpen my blade if you really wanna act cute. Now you're all mad 'cause I passed you. Everyone's got opinions, if you're not with the team, I'm like, who asked you? Call me the Moosey and quote on my strategy, but it won't work and I swear so sad to me. This game looks like nothing but tragedies plotting on me, but there's no overlap of me. Yeah, I've been alone, but I might feel stages. Haters get broken, but I can't change it. Don't look at me when your tape ain't playing. It's not my fault you don't fit on the A-list. Hate to see me winning, but when I drop, I know they listen. Back to back, been on a mission, getting plaques in my precision. They've been praying on my downfall, but promise there's no quitting. I just dropped the tape last week, no time for intermission.
Double kill.
I'm addicted, I dropped, they better OD. Yeah, the day I retire, that's when all the opposition breathe a sigh of relief. Yeah, you sweat over right in the bar, it's sad, I swear I do this in my sleep. Yeah, I spit for the comfort of riches, but none of you know what I did just to eat. Yeah. I got no mercy for the weak, I kill them all. It's RIP to all my enemies. Yeah, they've been dead to me, leveling up while they turn into casualties. Sharpen my blade if you really wanna act cute. Now you're all mad 'cause I passed you. Everyone's got opinions, if you're not with the team, I'm like, who asked you? back on the raps on tracks like I am not one of you, they never heard of me. Path is not written, so do not refer to me.
Double kill.
I'll be gone for a minute, had to rethink this way I'm living.
Triple kill.
Change of mode, brand and focus, no more nights playing shows and getting loaded. Got so now I'm working on my magnum opus. I never rest, ego death. Heard the competition, not impressed. I'm obsessed, yeah I'm pressed. That people really think they'll be up next. Look at your life, you ain't all about it. All you do is make raps, just talk about it. Face facts, I'ma do my own thing, chillin' in my own lane, so you're not a threat. I just want my revenge, I want nothing else. Long as I live, they are never gonna see me fail. I just want my revenge, I want nothing else. Long as I live, they are never gonna see me fail. Yeah, finally back on it, now I'ma step on it. Long as I live, no I never will lack on it. I'm on a killing spree, there ain't no chillin' me. Better destroy all that doubt my abilities. Came a long way in the trenches, son of a vigilante, you know that I've been senseless. Been making beats, been drawing the colors, been writing the songs. You know it's been me all along. Really better show 'em when I blow up. I don't wanna talk about it, but I know they hate that, so it feels good when I'm cashing the checks. From blasting my set, I'm slashing the rest. Better get your flow right. You must have forgot I'm a low life. 2019 drive fearless, I'ma hit him with the next and I feel this. I just want my revenge, I want nothing else. Long as I live, they are never gonna see me fail. I just want my revenge, I want nothing else. Long as I live, they are never gonna see me fail. Set it all on fire. I can't be safe, so I get higher and take my soul, throw it in the fire. I can't be safe, so I get
First
higher.
blood.
Shot then tank top, pass out. Never seeing me again when I cash out. You don't wanna be around when I crash and burn. I can't go back anymore now. Lie and tell me.
Triple kill.
Can't escape, run away. I try to change better things. Living too fast, all my friends stand back. Yeah, when everyone laugh, now I'm laughing right back. In the bench class, cause the money like that. I'm just trying to live life, give a fuck about the racks. Why you gotta do that? Hurt my feelings so bad, but you know. Yeah, you know. Yeah, yeah. Every summer heartbreak had me living in the dirt. I've been feeling out of place, I've been feeling like the worst. But I got a lot of fans that pull me up. Yeah, I'm blessed with the gift, so it's time to get to work. What you wanna die for, what you wanna try for. Feeling so dead now, I don't wanna cry more. Falling at the deep end, falling out of sequence. I don't wanna see this, I don't wanna be this. Tell me things, better things. I can't erase all the pain. I can't escape, run away. Try to change better things. Break my heart, set it all on fire. I can't be safe, so I get higher and take my soul, throw it in the fire. I can't be safe, so I get higher. One shot, then 10 top, pass out. Never seeing me again when I cash out. You don't
First
wanna be
blood.
around when I crash and burn. I can't go back anymore now.
Double kill.
Stay